Hi everyone, Jason from Makera here with the Makera Z1 and Z1 Pro Ionizer module tutorial. The Makera Z1 Ionizer module is specifically designed for non-metallic materials such as wood, plastics, and resin. It effectively eliminates static electricity generated during the machining process. This prevents debris from electrostatically adhering to the machine surfaces, including the sidewalls, bed, and cover, keeping the machine cleaner and simplifying post-processing cleaning operations. Before installing the Ionizer module, move the spindle to the center left position of the X-axis via the Makera Studio app to facilitate easy installation. Remove the two M3 screws on the right side of the spindle housing. Open the Ionizer module as shown. Then clip the Ionizer module in place. Secure the Ionizer module in place to the right side of the spindle using the two M3x8 screws. Connect the Ionizer module's data cable to the 3-pin port at the top of the spindle. The Ionizer module installation is now complete. In the Makera Studio controller, you can enable the Ionizer module functionality by enabling autostatic electricity removal when preparing your job. You should also set the spindle fan to its maximum setting for highest efficiency. The module will then run automatically in the background during your machining process, requiring no additional operation. Adding the Ionizer module reduces electrostatic adhesion during the machining process, which keeps the machine chamber clean and makes every non-metallic machining job cleaner and more worry-free. It is important to note that the Ionizer module needs to be removed when using the laser engraving module. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.